Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a night drive in this 2025 Acura MDX A-Spec Advance. So this vehicle, I already have a daytime review on it, but this video is just going to be a chill nighttime drive just to see what it's like, and just to see what like the ambient lighting is like as well. You have a bunch of different options over here. I'm gonna let's put Amalfi Coast for now. Increase the brightness a little bit. Alright. And yeah, so quick overview of the vehicle. 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 with 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque. And you have an 10-speed automatic transmission. You have the touchscreen in the 2025 MDX. Heated seats, which I have on right now. It's a freezing cold day. You also have heated steering wheel, and you also have massaging seats, which I also have, and you also have ventilated seats, which is really cool. I would get outside and show you the vehicle, but it is so cold I don't even want to get out there right now. So let's just get the car out on the road and see how it's like to drive at night. It'll be a quiet drive. And if you want to know more about the car and everything, I have multiple walkarounds, and I also have the review test drive of this video, so be sure to check that out. And also, here's a reverse camera. Let's just get out on the road now. So very nice vehicle to drive. The seats are really comfortable. Obviously the massage seats are a great function too. If you hold down the massage feature, you can choose your modes: shiatsu, wave, step, awake, fusion, lower back, upper back, rejuvenation, and zen are your options for the massaging function. You can only get the massage seats in the Advance, A-Spec Advance, and Type S Advance models. Before 2025, only the Type S Advance gave you massage capability, and the A-Spec Advance didn't exist for the MDX, but 2025 offers that, which is nice, because you can get an Advance package which looks like an A-Spec, because people like this, a lot of people like this sporty look. But overall, a very nice vehicle. And thanks for joining me on this night drive of the 2025 Acura MDX A-Spec Advance. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own MDX.